Were they syndicate?
No, freelance.
Friends of yours? So this syndicate doesn't know we're here?
There's an open contract out on us. What do you think? Here. Try not to take this apart.
Stop, Robert. She smells funny. Robert, please.
How did they find us so quickly?
You tell me.
No games.
What makes you think this is a game?
The cameras in the terminal didn't see me.
Don't touch.
But the one outside, near the exit, did. Getting pretty good at this, aren't I?
No, I'm sloppy.
Come on, I'm gonna have an attack.
Be a good boy. Here, take your inhaler. It'll be all right.
Excuse me.
Where did you get that?
I traded it.
For what?
Your knife.